Hello，我哋而家去緊食呢一個omakase。喂 ，Hello， 大家好，我係 Anson Cooker， 歡迎大家收睇呢個咧東京 Vlog 啊。咁今日做乜嘢咧？我哋今日咧就係帶咗咧我哋一個朋友咧就係嚟呢間 omakase 店。其實佢係我哋唯一一間咧去第二次嘅 omakase 店啦。因為我哋其實喺東京都試過好多唔同間啦。咁但係咧呢一間咧係我哋真係覺得好食到咧，去真係第二次。Justin。
Hey, buddy.
Yeah, so this is the first time you
In Japan.
visiting Japan.
Yeah, first time in Japan. So far, so good. I mean, things are relatively cheap.
Okay, shut the
F you. 咁
我哋就而家咧帶佢去依間 omakase 啦。好，咁我哋就事不宜遲 ，Go！ 所以佢哋依間店咧係極之不起眼嘅，喺呢條街度啦。咁佢係冇一個大招牌啊嘛，但係佢就係隱藏喺一個街角度嘅一間omakase 店啦。今次帶大家去嘅呢一間 omakase 咧，就係位於銀座嘅 Sushi Satake 啦。而佢哋咧其實係由咧壽司界度都頗有威名嘅佐竹大先生咧所開設嘅。點解我會推介呢一間 omakase 咧？主要係有兩個原因嘅。第一就係佢哋食物嘅質素咧發揮穩定，而第二咧 CP 值咧亦都高嘅。不過當然啦，每個人對食物嘅追求咧都有唔同嘅指標嘅，所以大家都可以當一個係參考啦。好啦，第一道前菜嚟啦，就係呢一個嘅蟹肉茶碗蒸啊。除咗滿滿嘅蟹肉咧，佢哋呢個高湯咧都係用乾貝串熬製，所以係非常之香嘅。咁佢呢個茶碗蒸咧，其實個調味就唔會太過濃烈。咁每一啖咧同啲蟹肉一齊食咧，除咗會品嚐到蛋嘅香味之外咧，亦都突出到咧蟹本身嘅鮮味。用呢個茶碗蒸暖暖胃咧，確實係唔錯嘅。同大家講下呢一間 omakase 店最獨特嘅地方咧，就係佢哋嘅壽司咧係用熱醋飯。佢想呈現嘅咧，其實係一種節奏。當啲飯一開始比較熱嘅時候咧，會搭配一啲油脂豐富啲，例如可能吞拿魚啦、金目雕等等嘅魚，實現咧壽司入口即溶嘅口感。但係當啲醋飯咧慢慢冷卻嘅時候咧，就會配搭一啲咧清爽啲，例如蚌類等等嘅海鮮。成件事咧其實係講求一個 flow。咁所以第一道嚟嘅壽司咧就係呢個中拖羅啦。佢哋對於吞拿魚嘅來貨咧亦都非常之講究嘅，全部咧都係由豐洲市場嘅指定店度入貨嘅，質素一定會有保證。然後一擺入口，肉質非常鮮嫩啦，油脂亦都適中，絕對係一個咧激昂嘅第一道壽司。How's the first sushi?
10 out of 10. Wasabi is good.
第二道壽司咧就係其中一個我最愛嘅刺身，佢就係池魚。呢個池魚咬落去係比較彈牙爽滑嘅，亦都食得出咧佢嗰個魚味嘅鮮甜，但係一啲都唔腥。再配埋微暖嘅一個醋飯咧，成個口感咧其實係幾特別嘅。第三道嘅壽司咧就係呢個堅魚啦。上台嘅時候咧已經見到塊魚肉好有光澤，咁當佢入口嘅時候咧，嗰種堅魚特別嘅微微鹹香咧，我係非常之享受呢一塊堅魚嘅壽司嘅。
Everything's great so far. This is ASMR.
第四道上嘅壽司咧就係呢個墨魚啦。佢呢個墨魚咧咬落去咧完全唔係嗰種咧會黏口嘅質感，而對於唔係特別中意墨魚嘅我咧，亦都食得出咧當中鮮甜嘅嗰個味道。下一道咧就係呢個炙燒嘅厚黑魚壽司，佢嘅魚皮咧因為炙燒咗之後咧外層咧係有微微嘅脆口啦，但係魚肉咬落去咧係非常之柔軟嘅，加埋嗰塊紫菜咧令到呢個口感咧多咗一個層次。哇！呢個真係好好食啊！第六道咧就係呢個石雕嘅刺身啦，佢最令我印象深刻嘅咧就係非常之厚切，擺入口度咧個滿足感係爆燈嘅。而食到呢個位咧，佢哋嘅醋飯咧亦都開始咧慢慢變凍啦。呢一種比較上淡身嘅魚咧，亦都令到我哋嘅味蕾咧係清新翻一啲。下一道蝦嘅壽司咧就係用到車海老，咁啊Satake-san咧係將佢煮到咧半生熟嘅狀態，令到我哋入口嘅時候咧口感咧非常之爽脆，而且呢個鮮甜味咧係爆出嚟嘅。緊接住嘅咧就係呢一個嘅帶子壽司。作為帶子控嘅我咧，食佢呢個壽司我係食得好開心。最簡單嚟到去形容咧，就係佢嗰個帶子嘅鮮甜味咧，真係非常濃郁。佢係令我食完成個壽司之後咧，口腔入面咧仲仍然有嗰個餘韻，我覺得係好好食。好啦，嚟到第九道嘅壽司咧，就係呢個嘅大拖羅啦。呢個入口即溶嘅大拖羅咧，我諗都唔需要特別介紹太多啦，令到咧而家剪緊呢條片嘅我咧，越望我就越想再去食多嚿。 好啦，下一個咧就係呢個嘅閩魚壽司。呢個閩魚壽司咧其實係一個非常之經典嘅食材嚟嘅，因為咧佢其實係象徵住日本傳統江湖前嘅一個代表性嘅菜式嚟，而且咧佢哋成日都被認為係一個衡量壽司師傅實力嘅一個標準之一。而呢一度嘅做法咧係會即場將一啲醃製過嘅海草咧包喺壽司嘅外面。咁啊，實質其實咧亦都有講過呢一個咧係佢最中意嘅一個壽司之一嚟嘅。但我個人嚟講咧，其實就一般般嘅，因為始終閩魚咧本身嘅腥味都比較重，咁所以咧我只可以怪自己唔識得欣賞。然後嚟到我哋嘅重頭戲海膽壽司啊！去到呢個位呢，我都完全唔擔心呢個質素有咩問題㗎啦。呢個海膽呢，佢本身嗰個自然嘅鮮甜味呢係非常之強烈啦，亦都保持到呢嗰種奶油質感嘅順滑啦。加上呢，因為佢哋呢度嘅醋飯係比較酸啲，令到佢海膽嘅鮮味呢係再突出啲嘅。呢個海膽壽司真係冇得輸，
好滿足黐線。
The amount of like sea urchin that they put into that the thing that they just served, it's insane. And yeah. Stop being a weirdo freak man
去到今日咧，最後一道壽司咧就係呢個主甲壽司啦。老實講咧，佢呢一個咧係俾到我最大驚喜嘅壽司嚟嘅，因為師傅咧將呢個文甲咧煮嘅熟度咧係啱啱好，而佢面頭嘅嗰啲嘅醬汁亦都稱之為賓汁咧，調味亦都適中，唔會太甜或太鹹，令到本身咧我哋食到油膩嘅呢個口腔咧，用一個比較甜嘅壽司嚟到作結，呢個我真係意想不到嘅。最後咧，甜品就比較普通啦，就用呢個玉子燒啊嚟到去將呢餐飯嚟到作結。佢呢個玉子燒咧，成個口感咧就會比較軟綿啲咧，而且係偏甜啲。作為最後一個解膩嘅一個工具咧，我覺得都 OK 嘅。好啦，咁餐飯咧就嚟到尾聲啦。總結翻咧，其實佢總共有15道菜嘅。價錢方面咧 ，lunch set 每一個人咧係16,500yen嘅，連埋嘢飲咧你可以預大約1000蚊港幣。不過如果你問我咧，我會推薦大家咧去試佢哋嘅 dinner set， 因為咧我哋就係被佢哋嘅 dinner set 咧所吸引，而且種類咧亦都多好多嘅。
好，咁我哋咧已經食完一個 omakase 啦，咁咧 ，Yeah, let's do a quick interview. How's your first time omakase experience? Can you what's your real thoughts? Any comments?
100 times like better than what we have in Hong Kong. The price is insane, and the amount of food you'll get insane. Like
Do you like the food?
I love it, man. Even the chef, I love the chef.
Yeah.
The chef.
There's one thing about omakase is that it's not only a meal. We can communicate with different people, not only the chef.
Some dude from Latvia. They're cool
Yeah.
people. You gained like
Yeah.
2 new followers.
Yeah, I keep filming all the food. Those guys ask me, oh, is it for YouTube channel? And
Yeah.
they ask for my channel and ask if I can upload the video as quick as
You
possible.
have to. It's
Overall,
fucking sick,
you
dude.
like it, right?
I love it.
Okay, we are happy. You are happy. Bye bye. 好，咁咧我哋今條片嚟到呢度啦，希望大家中意條片啦。如果咧大家中意條片，記得 like 同 share 條片啦。如果大家想睇更加多咧，我哋去唔同旅遊 vlog 嘅話咧，記得 subscribe 我個 channel 啦。有咩想同我講咧，可以 comment 話俾我知。有興趣嘅話可以 follow 埋 IG。下條片再見，拜拜。